How to redeem Netflix gift card. If you'd like to redeem your gift card on Netflix, what you have to do is just simply launch your browser. I would recommend you open your browser instead of the app. And now you want to simply go to netflix.com/redeem. I repeat, netflix.com/redeem. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below as well. After you go to this respective website, you have to make sure to log into your Netflix account where you would like to redeem your gift card. And as you log in, you'll find this option called redeem your gift. It says enter your code below to get started. So just enter your gift card code, make sure that they're correct, and tap on the redeem button over there. Depending upon the value of that gift card, you can use that gift card balance to be able to purchase a Netflix membership. And this way you can basically redeem a Netflix gift card. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.